I forgot to do my intro. So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy the Real King Zeus, and I'm back with another video, back with another banger. Hey, so I'm about to do this little Scat Pack, track hawk, badge, whatever, you feel me? Hey man, today we got the little Scat Pack. It's supposed to be like the little track hawk thing, how they do with the track hawk, just say SRT, this one say just Scat Pack. Just light up white, LED. Feel me? They usually put it on the right side, I went with the left side. It look like I ain't doing too much. It look like you were doing too much over there. All right, this is a daytime look on how the Scat Pack logo look in the front. Let me turn it on. You ain't gonna really be able to see nothing, I don't think, but I'm gonna turn it on anyway. See it come on with the car and go off with the car. Oh, we can see it. Y'all already know how I hooked it up. Got the wire, put it through a little hole in there, brought it up to the top, hooked it to the fuse box. But y'all like it been subbed though? Let me know some. Comment. So it's supposed to be like how the track hawks is with the little, when they do the little SRT. So I copied all the track hawks. When niggas get track hawks, they throw the little SRT on there. I copied that, put Scat Pack on there. You feel me, at the bottom. Now it light up LED. This is a white LED. You feel me? It gonna be hard though. I'm gonna show you how it look when it turn on. Hold on, I'm gonna explain it first. So all I did was grab the wire, threw it up in there, went through there with it. I'm the first nigga that did this too. You feel me? Went through there with it. Left it there. You feel me? You just pull the wire from here. Get something to pull it up. Right there. I'm thinking about throwing it on the other side, but I might keep it on YouTube. Doing a video on there. Just hooked it up. See, what I did was I ran the wire. I ran the wire straight through that little crack right there. That little crack. So I just ran it straight up in there. That's the badge right there though. That's the badge. I was gonna do it on the right, but it looked too much. It was too much going on. Threw it on the left side. On the track hawks and stuff, it normally be on the right, I think, but it just look better than me over there. I'll show y'all how it look when it light up. Alright, but look, matter of fact, I ain't even seen it yet. We're gonna see in a second. But look, so I ran it straight up here. Through that little crack ends right here. So I had to pull it up from there. So you need a grabber. I ain't had no grabber, so this is what I did. I took some double-sided duct tape. I always had like a breaker. Look, this the ghetto way, so don't judge it. I always had like this breaker in my trunk. Grab this breaker, take the whole top of the breaker, locked it up. Then I just put the breaker down there. Boom, and then stuck it to the wire, and then pulled it up. Pulled the wire up with this. I ain't had no breaker, I had to do it the ghetto way. So now I'm finna hook it up to the fuse box, so every time my car cut on, it cut on. It's just gonna be like a white LED. White LED. We're gonna see how it look. This it without it turned on. You're gonna see though. Like, so went through the little crack, with it, came up. I showed y'all what I did with that, with the little, so now, about to hook it up to the fuse box. So every time I start the car, it come on. Now I'm gonna show y'all how it look when it come on. All right, that's how it look. And my camera looking it look better in person. It ain't picking up what it's supposed to pick up. But y'all see what's going on. Little Trek Hawk logo, little Scat Pack logo on the Scat. Trek Hawk badge. You feel me? It's a little setup. A little Trek Hawk setup. They do that. Get what I'm trying to say though. Yeah, the camera ain't really picking it up. There you go. There you go. Ooh, there you go. Y'all see what's going on though. It still look better than that in person. Y'all see what's going on. Still trying to get it perfect, but y'all see it. I already showed y'all how I set it up. I guess I'll go over it again, kinda. Oh yeah. That remind me. I got a gun collection coming up. Y'all see what's going on. This is a sneak peek. Y'all see what's going on. Like I was saying though, I got a gun collection dropping soon. This is a little sneak peek. It's a sneak peek right here. Sneak peek. I'm gonna go over everything, you feel me? During then, this just one. You feel me? But let me go over how I did this. Even though I went over this already. Just a little speed run. Let y'all know what's going on. Alright, so pretty much, oh, I didn't show y'all how I hooked it up. So brought it up through here, boom. I put the panels back down, grabbed the wire right here. It's the positive right here, positive and negative. Hooked it up to the fuse box, boom, here we go. I hooked it up right here. Today, I don't know what it is. 10. Y'all know what's going on. If y'all do it, just hook it up to the other one. Positive. And then my negative, I use this, which is my halos. So, damn, I gotta do something about that. Y'all see what's going on though. The first Scat with the Scat Pack Trek Hawk light logo, you feel me? I got it from the Trek Hawks. That's why I did it. That's why I keep saying Trek Hawk. That's why I keep saying Trek Hawk though. Y'all read the title. Y'all knew what was going on. Y'all see what's going on. Boom. But nah, this the logo. It's how it look. It don't look though. It don't look as good as it do in person, like I said. But you feel me? It's hard. It's hard like in real life. Like y'all standing beside me, it'll be real hard, like it is for me. At least it's hard to me. People were telling me throw it on the right side or throw it up there, but I figured it looked better right there. It looks too much on the right side. But yeah, y'all like us, sub. You feel me? Throw a comment down there. Tell me what y'all think, man. Feel me? Like up and sub though. I got some more videos coming out. You feel me? Y'all already see the gun collection about to drop real soon. It ain't too many guns yet. I just started. But you feel me? The gun collection coming out. But y'all like up and sub though. Scat Pack Track Hawk badge. You feel me? That's what I'm gonna call it. No, I'm gonna call it Scat Pack Track Hawk setup badge, because it's just a setup from the Track Hawk. Alright, there we go. Y'all like them and sub.